And we carry on. A little bit more organised. Lighting's now in, which is good. Studio mics repositioned, which is good. New feeds there for the cameras, and the new SDR radio that's going in now. Ethernet connections just about getting ready for setting up. A little bit of jiggery pokery, and then some major tidying up. Just wires everywhere. A mess everywhere. Oh man, it's just junk. But it'll be worth it when it's done. Just, you forget what you did years ago. Well, I forgot what I did years ago, so I've had to rip half of it out because I don't know what it does. Joys of being on radio and YouTube. I should have stuck to a straight 40 CB in 1978 and then took up something else, golf or fishing. But hey-oh, we are where we are. We're getting there. So we'll soon be sorted out. Hopefully later on today. We're just waiting for an Ethernet switch. When that comes in, we can get everything cabled up and get it put back, and we'll be good to run, I think. But I think it'll be tomorrow before it's finished, so there you go. Anyway, I've still got to do the other side yet as well. Chaos. Oh man. There you go. Look at that lovely pile of nonsense there. Just crazy. But hey, we'll get there. Right. Catch you shortly. Be back soon.